What is up, my peeps? Joshua Smith here at GSD Mode Studios with another weekly Leveling Up episode. So today I'm here to talk to you about happiness, why it's utter bullshit, and why it is a delusion and something that you don't want to focus on. Now, happiness does not equate fulfillment. So I'm not saying to be able to experience joy and be massively fulfilled, but happiness is the wrong thing to chase, and it will do nothing but hinder you if that is something that you're chasing. What is up, my peeps? Joshua Smith here at GSD Mode Studios, where every week I share new top real estate agent and entrepreneur interviews, along with tips that I'm personally doing inside my business that have allowed me to become one of the top real estate agents and team leaders on the planet. Check us out at gsdmode.com, where you can see more free, great content, tips, interviews, resources, trainings, and more that will help you massively grow your real estate business. Also, make sure to check out my personal mentorship coaching program at 90daymastery.com. This is for those of you wanting to create a truly successful real estate business that pays you the money you want, as well as gives you the time and freedom to live a life worth living. This is hands down the best, most effective, and most affordable real estate coaching program that exists out there. Thank you so much for all of your support. Now, let's dive on into today's content. All right, so again, we are here to talk about happiness and being a delusion and why it is the wrong thing to chase. So if you've ever read Atlas Shrugged or ever watched Atlas Shrugged, the video series, there's a quote inside that movie that I found pretty profound when I first heard it, which is happiness is chased by those that are delusional, or I'm sorry, happiness is a delusional thing chased by only those with emotions that are superficial. Should have looked up the quote before I dropped it on you guys. Botched it a little bit there, but you get the point, right? And as I heard that, man, I just clicked on something. I started reflecting on it, and it, to me, it just popped and became such a reality, right? I realized how true that statement is. And let me back this up. As I said when I started this video off today, is that happiness, again, it's this delusional emotion that really just doesn't exist out there, and it's the wrong thing to chase. Now, there's a big difference between happiness and fulfillment. Happiness is what you don't want to chase. Fulfillment is what you want to chase, right? So fulfillment is just really long-term joy. When you truly feel good about yourself, about what you're doing, about your life, right? When you're like a truly fulfilled human being, it's like, oh, look, I know with full certainty and confidence that I am a great, amazing father, a great, amazing husband, right? A great, amazing entrepreneur. Whatever it may be in your life that you're going out there and accomplishing, fulfillment is created when you are accomplishing and operating at your full potential, when you're becoming all that you can be. And all is something that you can't measure, right? That is something like when you're giving it your all, that's not like, oh, I got to give it X amount of it can't be quantified. It's not a number that exists. It's giving your all is you operating at your absolute full potential or doing everything you can to expand and grow into it, right? Well, on your journey of becoming fulfilled and becoming your all, you're gonna have to do a lot of shit that makes you very fucking unhappy. And how many human beings do you see out there? How many people do you know, friends, people in your circles that you've hung out with over the years, that just their whole life like, oh, I just wanna be happy, and they're just chasing, oh, I just wanna be in a relationship with somebody that makes me happy. And then they're relationship after relationship after relationship, whatever. And I'm not just talking about significant other relationships, I'm just talking about inside their life. Oh, I just wanna be happy with my job. I want to, right? And it's just all bullshit. The first thing is most people that aren't experiencing joy or fulfillment or happiness, as they will classify and call it, have no idea what would make them happy. So that's the first place to start. Yeah, right? Is like, what would make me truly, and instead of using the word happy, I want you to start thinking of fulfilled, right? What would make me fulfilled? What would I have to build with my business? What would my business have to look like to make me truly fulfilled inside my business? What would my relationships have to look like? What would my health have to look like? Right? It's like, okay, hey, well, if I want to be, I just use the word happy, right? If I want to be happy with my health, what does that look like? Right? Okay, well, hey, man, I want to be able to wake up every single morning energized, right? When I go to the pool during the summertime and we're at a resort, whatever, like I want to be able to take my shirt off, be in a bathing suit, and feel good about myself, right? Not be embarrassed or ashamed about my body, right? So you want to get very clear on what these things look like. Then, based on what you want, deal in realities with where you are, and start taking action steps to make that a reality. Now, again, doing the action steps to make that a reality is going to be a pain in the ass. And you're going to do a lot of things that don't make you happy. Happiness can be bought with a case of beer. Right? Like I'm not a smoker, but if I was a smoker, if I went on a smoke break right now, that would make me happy in the moment. But 30 years of that habit, is that going to make me fulfilled? Fuck no. Ask anybody that's been a smoker for 30, 40 years. I'm guessing that their state at that point is not creating a lot of fulfillment. Hooked up to a fucking oxygen tank or hacking up, all this, whatever. That's not a fulfillment thing, right? Same thing with if we look at food, right? Like, okay, man, if I go crush, I don't know, some whatever you love for food, sweet snacks, whatever, that might make me happy in that instant moment. But 30 years of that habit aren't going to make me fulfilled or happy at all. Right? So most of the things, like again, people are just chasing this shallow shit in life. They want to be happy in the now, but anything that almost makes you happy in the moment is going to make you very unfulfilled and have massive regret in the future. So the key is to chase fulfillment, not happiness. Right? Like getting up early to go to the gym before you go to work or go to your, do your business or do whatever you do each and every day. Like that might suck in that moment. The pain you got to push through when you're working out really hard, eating the chicken breast and broccoli versus the double bacon cheeseburger and Dr. Pepper at lunch or whatever gets you off, right? Like whatever your flavor is. Those things are painful in the moment. That doesn't make me happy in the moment. Like it's great fulfillment. It's like God played like this really cruel trick on us. It's like all the things that taste super good are terrible for you. Well, all the things that create true long-term fulfillment and create long-term joy in our worlds fucking suck in the moment while we're doing them. Right? So this is why happiness becomes the wrong thing to chase. You don't deserve happiness. You don't want happiness. You want true joy. You want true fulfillment, to be truly fulfilled, to become your all. And at the end of the day, be extremely proud of the human being that you've expanded and grown into. And that's going to take pain. It's going to take sacrifice. It's going to take a lot of unhappiness in those moments to allow you to become truly fulfilled. And that's what you want. So don't chase happiness, chase fulfillment, but spend time to get very clear on what that looks like and start making those right decisions so then you can become the person you must become in each area of your life that's important to you, where then you can become truly fulfilled. So I hope you find this helpful. Make sure to check us out at gsdmode.com where you can see more leveling up series just like this one, as well as my weekly real estate tip series for real estate agents, plus our podcast interviews, plus a ton of other free content, training, and resources to help you expand and grow your business, grow your life, and go out there and just get shit done. So again, check us out, gsdmode.com. Thank you so much for watching. Keep kicking ass, and I'll see you next time. Peace.